Hi guys! How can we make a faded image into color enhancement in Photoshop? Here's how you can do it. First, select the image layer. Then, go to the Adjustments panel and choose Vibrance. Now, increase the vibrance slider. If set slider to left side, image will turn to black. So we want to add color enhancement. We will set it to 100. Your image will become more colorful and vibrant. If you want to enhance it even more, increase the saturation tool by moving it towards plus 100. But remember, vibrance adds natural color, while saturation boosts color. So, if you want, you can balance both settings to make your image look beautiful and naturally colorful.